This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Renata and Menendez. This cute home was just freshly painted and is ready for a new buyer. The floor plan has an open concept kitchen with plenty of cabinetry space, pantry, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a 2-car garage. All appliances come with the home, including a washer and dryer. This home is situated on a quiet street in Northeast Cape Coral and is surrounded by nice homes. Pine Island Commercial Corridor with lots of choices for shopping and restaurants is just nearby. Don't miss this opportunity. Make an appointment to check out this nice home today. For more information, review the details below or contact Renata and Menendez at 239-443-3204.